Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today is the first day of vlogtober. Happy October, happy vlogtober. Let's get into the video. Today we are starting off the vlog with a hike. A little different. We're hiking. We are hiking at one of our favorite places in Colorado at the Flatirons in Boulder. So we're stoked. We're stoked. It's Chautauqua. We have a nickname for it. We call it Chattahoochee. So
oh, you're vile.
We are hiking Chattahoochee today. Yeah, we're at Chautauqua Park. It's gonna be really fun. And then who knows, maybe we'll get into some other stuff later. I'll keep you posted. But for now, let's go hiking. I'll have to go up the stairs. I think we're about halfway up. I got on the semi steppers, and this is me pictured falling down the hill.
I'm a vlog extraordinaire. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't really have any substance right now.
Other than the fact that we are absolutely, completely, totally out of breath right now.
So out of breath.
I wonder what our incline is right now.
High.
High. I wish I was high.
Ooh, that's an angle.
Wait, where are you going? This is my channel.
It's mine now. Ah.
I said it's so pretty.
It is pretty.
Alrighty, we just finished our hike. We're made of jello now. Everything is hurting, and it's certainly going to be hurting even more in a couple of days. But Connor and I were talking about, we love this hike. We actually ended up doing a different trail this time. This time we took the meadow trail, I believe, up, and then we took the ladder trail down. It was great. I actually want to check my health app right now so we can see our, so nerdy. I want to see like how many miles it was and the incline and all of that. Wow, I mean, we did almost 7,000 steps. That's pretty intense. My average is about 1,000 steps a day. Yeah, we did almost 7,000.
We did 2.9 miles today.
Show all 2.9. How do you see that?
It just comes up online.
That's nice. We are going to head to Target for a little Olipop roadie, and we'll grab a few more Olipops for when we're home, probably another case. But we're gonna head to the Target, I think, in Boulder, and then we are going to head home.
If anyone at Olipop sees this, we're looking for a sponsorship, and
Yeah.
I'll photograph.
No, seriously.
I'll photograph Olipop in the coolest way possible.
And I will do some really cute videos because I love Olipop. Okay, so we are
Am I more than you bargained for, yeah?
we're at the Target in Boulder. We got some pickles, the hottie flavor, and then we got some Dr. Goodwin Olipops. Again, Olipop. Hit me up. Your #1 fan.
I don't got long enough fingers. Let me get it.
That crunch is magical.
You're magical.
I know.
Holy shit.
Thank you. Oh yeah,
Wow. Oh, hiccup.
great flavor.
No, that tastes like cough medicine.
You don't like it?
I don't like this one. But usually Olipop doesn't miss.
It's because Dr. Pepper is prune flavored.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm. You can give me one second more.
Let's compromise, boys.
Oh, we also got some cheese and a case of cherry cola Olipops because that flavor. Mwah.
Show me the rest. Whoa.
We're gonna hit the road. I'll check back in with you when we're home making some lunch. Bye. Alrighty, get comfy cozy. I hope you're ready because we are making calzones. First, you need your ingredients. We're doing 2 different kinds of cheese. We're doing Parmesan, we're doing mozzarella, and we're doing, those are the only cheeses. Then we're doing pizza sauce. Then we're doing this pizza dough that we got from Trader Joe's, the garlic herb. And then we've got these pepperonis, these vegan pepperonis. You can do non-vegan pepperonis, I really don't care. That's your problem, your decision, your choice. And then we're also making caprese, vegan caprese. We got a big tomato, and we've got mozzarella, and then we have some basil, oops. And then we're also gonna make a side salad. So, since we have a lot of cooking to do, I think we should just get started. What do you think, Connor?
Send it.
Send it. We're gonna simmy send it. Let's go. Okay, we are going to eat our calzones. They look amazing. Everything smells really good. And we're going to watch Batman Begins.
Have you seen Batman before?
I have not seen these. No. You haven't seen these either? Okay. Perfect. Thank you for tuning in to Vlogtober Day 1. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your ideas and your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any ideas for what you want to see for the rest of Vlogtober, I will be more than happy to take your suggestions.
Let us know what to have for dinner tomorrow.
Yeah, let us know what to have for dinner tomorrow night. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye!